Would you like some tips and advice on learning the French alphabet? I can help you. Let's go. Bonjour, I'm John Tremaine. I've been fascinated with the French language ever since I was 7. I became fluent. One thing I love to do is to help people just like you to learn modern French. Let's start off with ABC. A, B, C. I will repeat A, B, C. First tip is to listen to the letters and ask yourself, what does this make me think of? For instance, for me, I think of a person with their mouth open, or maybe a person yawning, going, For B, well, it's like the English word bay, like a bay, or it's like the English word baby. C is pronounced C. Well, that sounds a lot like the English word to say. I say, you say, say. It's the same general sound, and it's already a word I already know. So what I'm going to do is associate the English word or anything that I already know, anything that's in my brain, with the new French word. A, B, C. Now, I bet you think of those three letters differently. D. A, B, C, D. D, to me, makes me think of a day, like day versus night. And those are mnemonic techniques. It's a memorization technique. Any, anything that you already have in your brain that you can easily recall, you want to connect the new word with something that's already in your brain. That way, the brain is going to remember it much, much quicker. A, B, C, D, E. Now it's up to you. What do you hear when you hear E? F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. I do like to stop here in my lessons. The L, M, N. There is a difference. L, M, N. Not only, to me, you have something before it and you have a sound after it. It's like it's being pronounced like E, L, E, L, M, kind of like E, M, E, M, N, N, L, M, N, O, P, Q. What I like to tell people is Q is, while you hear one syllable, it's actually two. K, U, K, U, Q. The next one, R, R. I have a whole video on this where I go into the French R in much more detail. R. It uses the back of the throat. R, S, T, U. Which is kind of like the sound in Q. U, U. And this is where, and we're going to learn this, the shape of the mouth is so important here. You have to have your mouth closed. It has to be like you're talking with your mouth closed. Like you're going to kiss someone. U, U, U. V. W. X. Y. Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yeah.